So today I want to show you how to make a print. You're going to need a paper easel to do this instead of a contact print maker. And what you're going to do is, I'm showing you how to do this with the lights on in here as I go, but when you do this, you're going to be doing this obviously with the red lights on. So I'm going to take my negative, and you notice how the negative kind of bows. It's almost like there's like a little rainbow, and also see how there's a shiny side and a dull side. The shiny side should be up, and you slide it through the negative carrier. So you actually can do this part in the light if you want to. You can take your negative carrier out of the darkroom. I'm going to put that in there, and if I hold it up to the light, you can see there's the image shining through. Okay, so I'm going to slide this into the enlarger with the ring side down, and then close this up. Okay, so that's the first part of this. The next part is I want to go ahead and shine my image down on here. So I'm going to take my enlarger and I'm going to turn it on. And unfortunately, because it is very bright in here, what you can't see is that currently the enlarger is indeed on, and the image is shining down here. And the first thing you're going to want to do is adjust the height of the enlarger so that the image obviously fits on your paper easel. And then once you have the image fitting on your paper easel, you're going to adjust the focus, the fine focus. Now remember, there are two knobs. There's a knob up here that's for adjusting the size of the negative. Don't touch that one. It should be set at 35 millimeters. So you want to make sure that's set to the top portion, 35 millimeters, because sometimes students accidentally use the wrong one. So you set the fine focus, which is right here. Move this up and down until you see the image come in focus. And then once you have it in focus, you're going to use a grain focuser to change that. And I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. So I now have my grain focuser, and I put it on top of the paper easel. My image is on, and unfortunately, as I said, you can't see it, but I focused this. Let's just pretend for a second I focus the image using the fine focus by eye, so it looks as in focus as it possibly can down here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the grain focuser on. I'm going to look through here, so I can actually show you how to do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and incrementally focus it until I see the grain. If I can't see the grain, I'm not going to go ahead and make a print until I have that, because that means that the image might not be in focus.